In this video, you will learn how you can sign out or log out your Gmail account from your phone. So in general, there is no option to sign out or log out your Gmail account from your phone. However, the only way how you can do this is you're going to remove that Google account from your phone. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can do it. First of all, you're just going to open the Gmail application on your phone by tapping on it. Once you are here, you will be able to see here this kind of interface. And if you see at the upper right side of your screen, you will be able to see here your profile. So you're going to tap on that. And then you're going to scroll down to the very bottom of this list. Once you have done that, the last option you will be able to see will be manage accounts on this device. So you're going to tap on that. Once you have done that, you will be able to see here all of the Google accounts in your phone. So you're going to find the account which you want to remove. In my case, it is the last one. Once you have found the account which you want to remove, you're just going to tap on that account and then you're going to tap on remove account. Once you tap on remove account, it will ask you again if you want to remove your accounts from your phone. So you're again going to tap on remove account from the lower side of your screen. And once you have done that, your Gmail account will be logged out from your phone.